You hear people talk about thin places where the veil between heavens and the earth is more easily pierced or thinner, and Marfa seems to be one of those places. Whether you know it or not, almost every structure you see is made from adobe brick. It is going to be just like it's rising from the desert floor. I also think that it gives Icon and BIG a chance to play with different forms than they've been able to yet. Domes and arches and curves. We finally get to develop a lot of the amenities we've been dreaming about for years. Community has always been incredibly important to El Cosmico. And having people that actually have ownership in the bigger property and are invested into the community for more than just a weekend is, I think, really important to the bigger project. I knew of Sunday homes as places that ranchers or people that lived in the country or people that are more rural sometimes would have a home in a nearby town. And so Sunday homes were sort of this getaway home. Working with Icon and working with BIG has been one of the most exciting things I've done in my life. I mean, I never would have imagined it, right? I wouldn't have imagined that we could build a second version of El Cosmico and actually use something that is such an ancient way of building, but also absolutely the future.